Here we have a 2018 68 plate BMW 530D M Sport XDRIVE. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels in black and silver. Now just behind them all we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. Now we do also have the LED headlights as well as the black Kinder Girls. Full M Sport styling kits, you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also a rear diffuser. Now we do have the blacked out styling on this vehicle, so you get the accents on the front wings just there. We also have the black roof bars with the privacy glass on the rear, and you also do get the black window trim. Now we do get front and rear parking sensors with dual exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Power assisted tailgate, which is also split fold, so just underneath the wiper arm you do get a button, and then the glass of the vehicle will then rise up, making it easier to put luggage into the back quickly. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if you go to the rear of the car, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now as you can see we do have full leather throughout with the ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrest which reveals 2 nice sized cup holders. You have your ambient lighting in the back as you can see just over there. Storage behind the passenger and the driver's seat with your vents, 12-volt connectivity and storage just in the centre. On the doors you get your electric windows, again with your ambient lighting and brushed metal trim. You also have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Going to the front of the vehicle, there's a look at the driver's front seat which is heated and electric. Now on the doors you get your electric windows, integrated premium Harman Kardon speakers, again the ambient lighting and the brushed metal trim. Jumping inside the car and looking just down there you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you do also have keyless start. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel. We have paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. You also have your cruise control and speed limiter just there as well. Now this vehicle has done just over 25,000 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now I do have the digital dash, so when you put it into different drive modes it actually changes the look of the screen, as you can see just there. Coming to the screen in the centre, now it is a touchscreen, as you can see just there. Now we do have your DAB radio as well. We do have FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. We have Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, and we also do have your front and rear parking sensors when you pop it into reverse. Now going back off that, we do have different drive modes, so you do have your Eco Pro, Comfort and also Individual and Sport. Now you can configure your Individual just there to suit your driver preferences, where you can have your comfort steering, engine in sport and transmission in sport. It's entirely up to you. You do have your intelligent safety just there as well, which you can have all on individual or you can turn all off. Coming down it, you have your dual zone climate control. Now this works exactly how you would expect it to. We also have ice cold aircon for those cold hot summer days. Rear does make all the difference. You also have 2 heated front seats, as you can see just there, work exactly how you'd expect them to. For those cold winter mornings like today, rear does make all the difference. Looking down it, you have your storage, 2 nice sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and also USB, ambient lighting just in there as well with your storage. And you have the brushed metal trim just there as well. Coming down it, this is what you use to control everything happens on the screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. Traction control on and off as drive mode, select parking sensors, electric parking brake with auto hold, soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather front seat with the extended thigh support, and it's extremely comfortable. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. This HPI clear comes with fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530D M Sport XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive of course is to show the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. As you can see I'm not satisfied with the steering wheel to keep it a straight line, to go straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now do you have paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, which I'll do when I turn left at the roundabout. Now do you also have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. Now to activate the cruise control, simply just press the button at the top and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. On the dial, push up very slightly, it will just by 1. Push up until feel a bit of a click, it will just to the nearest 5 miles an hour. Now that is vice versa going down as well. Now the right hand man taking the left, and I'm going to take over the paddle shift. So currently in second, up to third, into fourth, into fifth, and to let the car take back over, simply just let go. Or you can push the gear stick to the left and it'll either go into S or M. Now when it's in S, that is the sports gear changing mode, so it revs the rev range a lot longer and sharpens up those gear changes. Then push back to the right to put it back into the normal automatic mode. Now we do have the digital dash in front of me, which changes colour when you put it through the different drive modes, so Eco, Pro, Sport and Comfort. We have very comfortable front seats as well. Now the front seats are also heated and electric, so if there's cold winter mornings, it does make all the difference. Now in the rear you do also have full leather seats throughout, all very, very comfortable. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in either of the seats and still get up feeling fresh, as you do have quite a lot of legroom in the back. Now we have the screen in the centre, which is also a touchscreen, where you can also find your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, your DAB radio, your visual display of your front and rear parking sensors there as well. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you will listen out for any model locks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, but there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Right now, I'm currently in the industrial state, where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to pull on emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, just to show that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to, and you'll see pop up in the centre screen the visual display of the front and rear parking sensors. So pull in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1, hard anti brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and you can see the visual display just there as well. Now back into drive again, no issues whatsoever. Now I'm in the shade, you can see the ambient lighting that goes around this vehicle, which is a very nice addition to have, especially at night. It really does make the inside of this car feel very, very nice. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.